quick Hermes unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, Shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick Hermes Paris unboxing from Paris. This is the last thing I got on my trip from the airport. Well, I got two things, one and two. One I had to buy under my account, one I had to buy under my friend's account. So if that's me interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, we're gonna do it super quick. So Hermes at Paris at the airport, you can also buy bags. You're allowed one bag per ticket if they have stock. Luckily, I've developed a relationship with the SA there, so I go every time I go, I ask them for a bag and I give them my wish list and stuff like that. And so you can do it if you like, if they have something they would. I usually schedule in advance, like when I'm gonna go back and if they're working to make sure, and then I kind of give them my wish list and they check in the morning because they get delivered in the morning. They only have it for the day if it doesn't sell. So I give them my wish list, 2 bags. Actually, I give them my wish list of like 5 bags. They brought them all out. I didn't know I was only allowed to take one because last couple of times it hasn't worked out, or they've had bags I didn't want. And the first time it worked out. So this time, bookending it, my last trip worked out, but I had to pick. So I picked this one and another one that my friend, I had put on my friend's account. So one box this one and then one box the other one. But it's a cute little munchkin. I got it to match for every day, more casual, palladium hardware, which I never do. You guys know what this is from the box, but it's an Evelyne TPM 16 in palladium, in orange with palladium hardware. It is a beaut. She is cute beauty. She's grace. Very casual. Hermes orange. Had to get one, right? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to keep these videos under 5 minutes so they can be short and sweet. So that's that unboxing. We'll do a quick unboxing and I'll do the next one as a separate video, of course. And if you want to know more about Hermes Paris shopping at the airport, let me know. I can talk a whole other video about that. Hermes Paris airport shopping. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share it with your friends and family. Hit it, share it with your enemies next, because I know your time is valuable and your time is precious. Appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Peace.